Hi, my name is Amber. Back in 2017, a prosthetic was not an ideal option for myself unless I proceeded with the contracture release and bicep tendon lengthening. Walking into my first appointment at Johns Hopkins, I didn't even think a prosthetic for myself would be possible. I was born without the triceps muscle on my left side, and my arm was constantly stuck in a bent position, and I was never able to reach, stretch, or extend my arm straight out. I took the risks of possible permanent complications. It was possible the surgery would have failed. On the day of the operation, Dr. Hand said, "I'm going to make this a lot better for you." And I felt so comfortable sliding into the operation room that day. I had to go through some occupational therapy after the surgery, and since I have absolutely no sensation or feeling in this arm, I handled the whole recovery process very well. I had a whole support system from my family, my friends, COVVI individuals I met on Instagram, to friends from my gym and workplace. I had the most support and guidance from my physical trainers and physical therapists. Finally, the night on June 14, 2022, the same night as the strawberry supermoon that year, I was put on standby. Hattie with Prosthetic Care Virginia was ready for me to come in. The very next day, on June 15th, I received my COVVI Hand that I was eyeing for years. After wearing my prosthesis for the very first time, I felt reborn. This is not the end of my journey. What Simon and I would like to say is this is only the beginning. I'm working every day to make sure I adapt to my prosthesis. This is where the benefits of having one will come into play, and I have committed to making sure I work at this every single day. My main focus is preventing body imbalance. I'm in the gym most days like it's a religion, and I'm so thrilled about the perks and advanced technology features the COVVI Hand comes along with.